Queens, divas of a more mature age, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me here on my channel today. So I have hair, and actually I have two is this many. I have two different units that were both sent to me from a company, or sent to me by a company, RoyalMe Wigs. RoyalMe. So this is their packaging. Things just got real dark, didn't they? And I'm gonna open them up. Now, I'm gonna tell you this right here. I have a headband wig, and I am going to put it on and let you guys see what it looks like put on my head. However, I would like to inform you all, this will be the last headband wig you will ever see me reviewing. I'm over it. I'm not reviewing any more headband wigs, okay? It's enough. You've seen one, you've seen them all. So I'm going to show it to you. I'm going to show you what comes in their packaging, and I'm going to put it on, but I'm not going to do a full-fledged review on it. So this is the packaging. They sent me two different headbands, a bandana looking one and a Hawaiian looking one, and they sent two hair clips, which you can never have enough of. Companies, please keep sending me the clips. I always lose them. Now, this is the unit. Now, the only reason why I was willing to even receive it was because it's short, and I don't have a short one. So I'm happy about that. Now, I can tell you right off the bat, the good thing is she has combs all around the perimeter. Companies, that needs to exist with a headband wig. You gotta, people like me, I don't have a lot to grip it to, so you need the combs, okay? So, and there's one in the back. You have no adjustable straps. Oh, well, stop the madness. I hope she fits. Okay, I'm going to slip her on, and I'll be
diva. You know that she's a queen and not a prima donna diva. Don't you be deceived. Don't you be deceived by just anything you see. Anything you see. Shake the world and part to see. Cause you are rocking with the queen. You are rocking with the queen. It's Queen Eve. It's Queen Eva. It's Queen Eve. It's Queen Eva. It's Queen.
Okay, this unit here, this is the reason why we came. Okay, I'm just gonna let y'all know that right now. Same thing came in her box, minus the bandanas or the headbands. Okay, you guys, I will be linking all of her information in the description box below. When I took her out of the pack and peeked, I was like, ooh, this is all me. Oh, look at her. I can't get the net off. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. Look at that ombre effect. I'm gonna say she's probably, what, 16 to 18 inches. I will link all the information. She is actually I believe this is a T-part wig, I want to say. If not, I will correct that in the description box below. But her hairline is everything. Look at her hairline. Come on, camera, focus. Focus, man. Oh, she's good. Let's get her on.
Yeah, yeah.